Knife.
Knife. Is that a knife? Knife.
Eat the jackfruit and the durian. First.
Oh, there is a oh my God.
And durian.
What? How?
Nagpalit man maybe for katong nanguha mig mga sa Asian store.
And a couple cans of your nectar juice there too. Do
Durian
you
na.
need a water? Gigi,
Yes,
you need a
I
water?
do.
I'll get a water. Anybody else need anything?
Fresh meat. Fresh meat.
Aga yung susun. Durian.
Ilang durian da? Ilang durian?
Isa sa
Di kaayo lami ilang durian ron.
Ay, nakaan.
Kay time na lami ilang durian kay ngano. Hinugyod siya pero di karon murag dili. Ang mga tao. Ano sa marunong smell? Lahi ba yung Amerikano no kay smell dayon.
Kuan si James o kuan durian. Sipat dili. Pero okay raman siya mapalit og durian. Daan na yung
Tamis man ang durian pero naalay part na.
asa ka kapag aninji.
Sa Asian market, pwede ito mo agi niya. To eat more durian and kaya mo agi ng kastusun. Ako lang nilabay ang pizza.
Man sa dito gahapon. Tuson gahapon to.
Tusun pero dako man ako. Youth. Kaon youth. Kay ang atong mga tiyan kinahanglan jud og kaon.
Problema di man ni siya dapat kaunon og ingani nga buntag kayo. Sunod.
Yeah.
Kasi madaot
Wa
ako
man
man.
wa man ato. Di ayun. Ang fruits okay ra man siya.
nakaon na yun sa durian.
Dala tissue. Bilin dito.
Kuha lang ng kuan ba yun? Ilabay. Ano you eat ba ako?
Yeah. With your water. And you might want a little cranberry too.
Oh, yeah. Oh, ilabay kay na biodegradable man. It will grow if ever.
Tamis, the jackfruit is so sweet.
Yeah. You can sit down.
Yep.
Ananda ko kuan kanang
Ako nagpalit mo ng kapod.
Is it good? This one?
Asa?
Okay.
Where is our? Oh, there is a skyflakes there, so you can.
mga apa. Naman lagi ng kapit.
James, wait.
We are so thankful for the skyflakes because when we were to about visiting Cambodia, we asked Olga, what do you want?
Di adto ka kay Olga?
She just said skyflakes. So he knows.
Naa pa siya sa Cambodia.
Wala na.
Ito nga, Olga.
Olga pa kumbaba.
Itong dating sa Afrim, ART.
Daping Afrim, daping Gabriela.
Tigulang na siya karon, tigulang naman to tong nga dati murag kuan man to yung buhok hala oy naguban mi ato kuan to Josie girl man to.
Should have brought
I
the
don't know if-
Coca-Cola with that with the durian, huh?
I know.
As if we're not in ready.
Scarface. Kay maniud to ta dito, mga on dito pagkaon dito.
Kanang
Unsa may gusto niyo? Asian store o Asian Vietnamese? Okay, Vietnamese honey.
What?
They said Vietnamese for the lunch. She will pay.
I will pay.
She's the pay for the day.
It's my turn. That's what we do.
Oh, now, John.
Pag now the oil. It's called here James.
Little throw down.
My God.
I live in Maryland.
I was in walking in New Mexico.
Like this?
Sure,
In New Mexico.
December. And the woman told me, "Aren't you cold?" She asked me. I said, "I'm from Minnesota." And then, as soon as you say about Minnesota, okay, I know. It's funny. Moani na sila diri, naga-walking na sila. Na may mga trails diri. Yes.
Ganahan mong ko mag-trail.
But
Ganahan mong ko
usually they are from
walking.
Tucson like that.
I had soup and rice for breakfast.
Yeah.
I had a bowl of soup with, you know, you guys
Kaunin
saw me
dito
eating
dato
soup when you
bayote.
came in. I
Isud.
had a bowl of soup,
Mapan
so I'm good.
ako.
Kahit ko bakaon ka bunta. Hindi ba na lutuon di? Lutuon na to ang ano.
Power.
Ah, man ang telescope
Na
na.
diha.
Nasulon?
Daghan diha naglinya.
Really?
That is why they don't allow just people passing by and go there. Madisturbo man pod ang telescope kung pataka ng mga tao.
Pero ang mga birds da usay mo tungtong man din na. Lahi po itong observatory da. Lahi po ito.
Observatory diha.
Oo na.
Na diha. Dagko kay nang ilaha pag backyard man to.
Really nice up here.
Lahi pa kaayo ba?
I don't worry about being chilly because I sit right here in the sun. The sun's warming me up, so I feel good.
Noon sa mga kabayot na init mo lang San Diego.
No, dali ako matbugnawon dito.
Oh, sa ato ang edad nga naatay menopausal, ay. Hot and cold,
In the
and hot.
evening, James, I have to cover myself duha ka two blankets,
Nga babi eh. Okay mo dito.
naaman ni og
okay.
naapod tong imong comforter. So duha. Ya kay biro tong isa.
The durian was delicious, right?
Eat more.
Oh, I already have some.
Breakfast sa daw ano.
Mas okay pa kung magkaon lang mga putas.
Kuan kaya na.
Yeah. Kaysa ka ng...
Ako nagakaon jud ko rice da kay
James, this is 8,500 feet elevation.
It's good nga di basa ka kay mao daw na yung observation mga Pinoy.
di mo basa.
Picture di
Yeah.
mo basa.
She's a teacher so she reads.
So I've been to Washington.
What's the elevation there?
I forgot. Murag mga same. That's the highest peak pod sa East Coast.
We're in Washington State.
Yeah, no,
Okay.
not Washington State. Washington, Mount Washington.
Oh, up in Vermont. Is that Vermont?
Yeah,
In
Vermont.
Vermont?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
So nag-adto kog Mount Rainier da. Sus kay foggy. Way lami wa ko kasulod.
Oh,
I
really?
want to get inside. Ganahan man kog mag-trek. Mo bitaw kabako akong da kanang mga pang hiking, pang
Mm.
So I brought a lot lagi nga.
She cannot walk, so-
Because I do not know man wa man ka ingon unsa ing ani. That's why I just brought anything.
Mhm.
Naipang ha. Okay ra.
Recorded ka ito ba?
Oh, nag-record ay na.
Oh. We're eating ano?
Ito, nakita po ko niya kay kuan.
Behind the camera.
So, na
No.
mga ranger dire da.
Yes, Park Ranger.
Here's the deal.
Mm.
I'm sitting here with my eyes closed,
Mhm.
feeling the sun, knowing I'm up in the mountain.
Right.
Listen, you guys jibber jabber and
Isayan.
Yeah.
and I'm thinking,
What did
I
I say?
must be in Baguio.
Right?
Just close your eyes.
Just close your eyes.
and you're there.
Me too. Like I like the basking of that light. Oh, bask in the sun rays.
Mhm.
That's what I love to do. I really love nature. G.
Ka-
Mo na
ka-
I'm so
kahibalo lang
adventurous
ka.
Kita ka sa kuha, I go to
Mm.
national park.
Pero
Di-
usually
mo-
di kakakita sa ko nga nagda-post og high sana din no. Ang nindot nga light naa sa kadlawon. Kanang late sa afternoon.
Agad.
Mhm. Twilight.
Da mo ni na miss ni
Bitaw da no magkuan daw ta da.
Yeah. Mhm.
Wala
That's
yan
what
na
I
miss.
really I love G.
Ganahan man
Kuan
sa
na
katog
ko
mga-
RV life no. Pero siguro small lang group. Ako na.
Yeah.
Kanang
How
na
many
ay na,
how
kanang
many
na
people
ICR,
can
na
Kana na
ICR.
Yeah.
I want just
Luan and Ben, how many people can get inside?
yeah.
2,
Not
3?
more than 2 or 3.
Yeah.
Kanang what ang murag Mercedes kanang
Yes.
murag na
Small.
You can get,
Amazon.
you know, you can get something smaller, a little smaller than that. They have some of the vans that are pretty
Yeah,
nicely
right,
newer. Some of the newer vans are nicely decked out, and they're a little better on gas and a little more economical.
And then there's restroom na inside and you
Yes.
can wash.
Restroom, everything. You need to hook in the
By
water.
myself.
Mm.
I've been to Kuan. No, I've never been to Montana. I've been to
Beautiful. So
Kuan.
beautiful.
Unsa kana isa ang akong kanang youth.
Mauna
Ang
da.
kining
Mauna da wala jud mi nagkuha og balay da rin para jud ni kay wala pala gid plan.
Yellowstone and I've been to
So you did make it to Yellowstone.
yeah, did.
Well, then you were in Montana.
Oh, that's Montana. That's
Depends.
Wyoming.
There's a Wyoming.
There's parts of it are in Wyoming, parts of it in Montana.
And what's the name? Yellowstone and the other one, the
Grand Teton.
Grand Teton. Yeah.
Mauna unta anong
I've been
gusto
to-
at kung ano pa.
Mo na kung ganahan jud na
Next time,
Redwood no.
Kung nag-retire ka na,
duha ka to.
spend time, dude. Don't just live because
Yeah.
lahi-lahi ang imong experience.
Mao.
Daily sa
So
usahan
mo
mo.
stay og 1 week
Kailangan jud
ana.
experience nimo the culture of the
Mhm.
people, go to the market.
Mhm.
Mo na bitaw nako I will have to extend. Di pwede nga 3
Ay,
days ra ko.
Yeah, ayaw gyud pag mupos ra daw kung ano daw ingon ana daw ang atong style ingon ko ang kwarta manhan kay lisod sa Pilipinas. So 3 days is enough.
Magdali-dali
So
Just
you can
post
cover a
and
lot.
they don't even read. Oh, and that's it. I've been there. I've been there.
Ingandahin kag I've been there.
But explore gyud nga kanang may immerse ka ba?
Unsa pa ganing isa nga mountain sa may east gani sa may where the sun kuan
Sunrise?
sunrise ang mount. There's a lot of hello, good morning. There's a lot of
Morning.
national park
Makahit
Una nga gusto na ako, anto ko national park, gusto na ako magpakuan. Asa to nakabutang nga, this is the national park
Yes,
of
we will. There is a Colorado sign there. There is a Sky Center sign there. There
magpa-picture.
suggest
Colorado Springs. Wapo sa kaayo ang Colorado Springs
ang USA lang
San-
pating daghan ng nindot jud. Adto gyud sa national parks,
National
national monuments and state parks.
Nan,
Aha.
Monument Valley sa Utah, Bryce Canyon. Ah, so mabuang dito.
No, that's why what I love to do is really kanang just stay with nature nga mag
Mauna ilang ginabuhat diri. Kaya minaw ko sa discussion sa babae. Naa sila ginamark nga diha na sila kutob unya next time kung di pa nila mahuman humanon sila nila ang
dali
trail.
naman good no unsa nakagwapo. Follow the white trail,
Mm.
follow the blue.
Iltay mo inyo.
Honey, you want to drink something?
You want to drink?
I'm good. Thank you.
Mangihi sa gid tadaan. There.
Nakauna na ko kami.
Dili na mo? Ikaw yun.
Ang tabi.
Magutom tayo pag nisakit akong tiyan.
Isa pa yung mga gwapo nga ato ang
Adto ka sa Saguaro.
dili ba yung mga
Aw.
national parks kung
Kung-
naka sa
Kung
Wapa
na,
na Joshua Tree.
i-try ni mo one time ang
ang sa mandapit
ang helicopter ride.
Ha?
Yes. Try the helicopter ride and look at the Badlan one time. There are helicopter rides in Washington, in mahalan yun, at 500, 400. In Wyoming, makita ni mo tong murag ay nga kay lahi man ang perspective sa
taas no
taas. So, mao na imong i-adventure and then tungod kay brown tadi ka ita maglisod kung pag Mexico. Mexico has a lot also.
Ay, mauba.
Yes.
Katong giadtoan nila din na pangarap kay nako.
Ang lisod,
Ay, ang Brazil.
No, Argentina, Patagonia.
Ay, mahal mag-aayo na.
mahal.
Ay, you have to
10,000 tag
You have to save
12,000.
money. Kay maunay gusto adto alipat. Kanya ana siya kailangan jud ta mag-save kung adto ta
Ang sa
dito.
papurdoy na takay na nagpalit og balay.
Mahal jud kaayo da ang airplane ticket. Kuanan jud nila na ba ila jud
Dito nga gina.
nabakyaw.
Ano ito sila dito? Ito. Oh, na ito.
lang napa ba sila to
Oh,
you could nako din this is really my dream Argentina kamo
So, naaman na si Dina dito sa group. Hinawa man siya.
ani hawa na siya.
Oh, nahawa
Sa
siya.
picture natin.
Oh,